Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time to check on your energies for this weekend. Um, Libra, this is for the 9th of October weekend, the 9th, 10th, 11th, but these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and leave the rest. Why did this card want to show face? It's the Six of Pentacles, Libra. I mean, this card just flipped over and sat here. So I think I'm going to keep it and see why it's here and what it's going to say to the rest of our reading. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most for this weekend. Thank you. So Libra, let's begin with a blessing from our angels to see how they're going to bless or advise you for this weekend. My angels, what do you have for Libra now for this weekend? One card for Libra, please. One card for Libra. Practice makes perfect. What are you thinking of doing, Libra, that you need to do it over and over and over again till you get it right? And there's also a Six of Pentacles here, which is a card of equal give and take, right? So let's see now what the cards are going to say and how these cards are going to resonate with the rest of our reading. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for all your love and your comments and your support to my channel. Thank you, I'm very grateful. And if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family. Do join us. We meet here monthly, weekly, weekends as well. In fact, Libra, your monthly money and love readings have been put up. In case you've missed those, I'll be trying to leave a few links at the end of this video. But do make sure your notification bells are on, because I'm pretty random in my posting schedule and you may just end up missing them. So that little bell icon, just make sure that's pressed with the subscribe button. Having to make a choice. And Libra, let's start opening your cards now. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, you can reach me as well. My email is in the description box below. So Libra. Eight of Cups, Nine of Wands, and the Two of Cups. So somebody here walked away, Libra, from a connection, and they're no longer fighting. This could be you, or I could be speaking about your cross watcher. So somebody in this dynamic here, Libra, walked away, is no longer fighting for this connection and has dropped the ball. Wow. But I feel there is somebody else here who wants a reconciliation. They're very, very stressed out because they feel that this person who walked away is their soulmate, right? Interesting. Let's see why this person walked away. Or is it you who walked away? I don't know, Libra. You know your story. So Spirit, what's this Eight of Cups? One more, Eight of Cups. Why did this person walk away? One more. I think Libra, this person saw things from a higher perspective. They saw that things were maybe not equal. There was no equal give and take. This person also felt the same way that you felt, or one person felt the same way as the other person felt. You both felt that, you were meant to be, you were soulmates, you both have the same energy, you both felt that this is your person, this is your soulmate, this is somebody you feel at home with, this is somebody you've known for a long time, this is somebody who is your equal counterpart. But something happened here, Libra, where this person, top line could be you, I don't know, but one person came to a crossroad where I think they became a bit defensive and they tried to protect their energy or saw things from a higher perspective to say, hey, I'm no longer going to fight for this connection anymore. So why did they stop fighting, Spirit, with the Nine of Wands in reverse energy? Why did this person give up the fight? Why did they not want to fight for this connection anymore? I think this person felt a bit rejected. They felt abandoned, they felt sad, they felt they were not getting attention maybe, and this person felt very, very sad. So this could be you, Libra, who felt this way, who felt this connection, but made a active decision to protect yourself and because you felt you were not given that respect back, and you felt abandoned and left out, and because of this depression, I think you made a choice to kind of just shut this relationship down totally, end it, complete, finito. Two of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, this person dropped the ball totally and said, I'm no longer going to accept any kind of back and forth energy now. I've made my decision and I'm bringing this connection to a halt. One more card, Spirit. Two of Pentacles. They felt there was no equal give and take. They felt there was no equal give and take in this relationship. I just said that, didn't I? Seeing this card. They felt there was no equal give and take, and they didn't like the fact that either they were being juggled, or they felt that they didn't want to mess with their brain, and sometimes maybe your connection was up, sometimes it was down, and this kind of really made them feel sad and depressed, even though there was a strong connection that they felt with you. Or this could be you again. You have to decide which side you belong to. And one person here in the dynamic absolutely left all these 8 empty cups and moved away. I don't want to be in this place anymore. So I have another person here who's now looking for reconciliation. Three of Cups, Spirit. Yeah, this person B here wants to now charge forward, right? They want to make this work. They want to come back to their soulmate. This leaving of their soulmate has made one person very, very stressed out. They haven't been able to sleep at night. They just keep going back and forth. Oh my God, this card is here twice. This card is here twice. Nine of Swords and Nine of Swords. This is the amount of stress and tension one person is going through because they now don't know how to reconcile with the person who left, and they want to charge towards this person and maybe bring them back because they feel the same connection. They feel, oh my God, this was my soulmate, the one who got away, and I want them back, but I don't know how. They're not sleeping at night, they're stressing, they're tense, and having nightmares and headaches, I think, feeling miserable. One more card, Spirit, for the Nine of Swords. Why is this person in this state now? Because they don't know how to reach the other person, and they don't know how to give an apology. They just don't know what to say anymore. What can they do to say sorry to the person A? Because they know that they put person A through a lot of turmoil and a lot of stress. And they know why this person has, yes, walked away. They know why this person has walked away. Six of Cups, Spirit. Six of Cups. Six of Cups. Person B knows that the person who left is very, very upset and angry with them. And maybe at one point they left them out in the cold, and now this person, the person who's now become very bitter and very angry, has now left them, and now they are feeling exact same way as they made their partner feel, left out, abandoned, and lost, right? Maybe this dynamic has happened many times round. This is not the first time this has happened, Libra, because my angels have given this card of practice makes perfect. So maybe you've been failing this person each time, or maybe a person's been failing you each time, and each time you guys come back together for a renewal, it just falls flat. And the Spirit is saying, try and try again. Practice makes perfect. So this time also somebody will have to pick themselves up and kind of just be strong enough to give that apology. But I think person B is very afraid now. They're feeling sad, they're feeling abandoned, they're feeling stressed out, but they don't have the courage to, or they don't know how, they don't have the words to apologize after this big betrayal, I think, which they have done to person A, and person A has been feeling betrayed and sad because of this lack of equal give and take. And that's it. Six of Cups, Spirit. Six of Cups. Six of Cups. Person B is feeling very sad, very upset at what has happened now. They're stressed. They love this person. My God. This is a soulmate connection. Look at all these soulmate cards. I mean, this person had it too, right? Where did it go? Yeah. This person had it too. So this is a soulmate connection. Both are feeling that strong pull strong attraction, strong love, but somehow this relationship just didn't work out because one person, I think, was not giving as much as they should have. There was no equal give and take here. So let's see what's going to happen on this weekend, because bottom of my deck I did have this Two of Swords. Somebody has to make a decision here, right? So let's see, Libra, will you be making that decision, or is your person making the decision? Let's see. Hanged Man, Four of Pentacles, and the Hermit. Right now, this weekend, I think you're stuck. You're still kind of getting enlightened. You're still hanging by this tree. Sometimes you're sitting by a tree, sometimes you're hanging by a tree, Libra. Come on. You're sitting manifesting. You're sitting, getting enlightened about this connection, sitting and trying to manifest, pray, wish, hope, everything. My God, the door just opened on its own. No, it's just the breeze. So there are angels around, I'm sure, protecting all of us. So you are sitting here, Libra. You are trying to, getting enlightened about this connection, trying to manifest this new connection. You're trying to release this control that maybe you've had so far. You've always had this, feeling that I'm not going to give, I'm not going to share, I'm not going to give of my love or my heart or of my emotions. Now you're trying to manifest something to happen again. You're learning how to release control. And I see you again trying to make a decision. Again trying to make a decision, Libra, of how to be victorious now. How to win this person back in your life. Right? So that this weekend I see you keeping a close watch maybe on this person, spying on this person, because this person is now looking happy and single maybe on their own, but still trying to make a decision, trying to let go of all your control, trying to get enlightened as to how to do it, praying and wishing and hoping for a victory, right? Trying to hope for a victory. But I do see you in hermit mode right now, Libra. I do see you be by yourself in hermit mode, trying to shed light to how to get this victory. Hermit spirit, Hermit. Libra, this weekend I see you by yourself, healing, trying to understand what to do, manifesting, being in hermit mode. You know this has come to a total stagnant halt, this relationship. You are trying to now get over this sadness and regret and maybe turn around once again to look at this person. 3 empty cups, regret and sorrow, but there are these 2 empty cups behind this person which are full and waiting. All this person has to do is turn around. So I think this weekend, Libra, you are trying to make an effort and making a choice to turn around and focus on these 2 full cups instead of seeing what was lost. But you are still kind of back and forth. You don't know how to go about it, and you're tapping into your spiritual self and maybe just trying to pray or manifest or dream up a solution. Yes, here you are in hermit mode once again, wishing upon a star, right? If wishes were horses, beggars would ride, right? But I think what my angels are trying to say, I think you have to put in some actual work and some actual effort as well. And you have to do something. Practice makes perfect, right? So that's all I have for you. And I think the answer is here. What you have to do is now go back and offer reciprocity and equal give and take. What was not given earlier, try and offer that. If you want love, you have to give love. If you want respect, you have to give respect. If you want anything in your life, try giving it for a change, okay? And you will get it back. That's all I have for you, Libra. Namaste, take care. And Libra, I could be talking to your cross watcher, so don't be upset with me, okay? Namaste. See you soon for your next reading.